Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bank of America Secure Access step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Bank of America website URL. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button located in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your username and another for your password. Enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Before proceeding, double-check your entries for accuracy. If you wish to save your username for future logins, select the option to remember it. Once everything is correct, click on the Sign In button. If your information is accurate, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the appropriate link provided. Follow the prompts to recover your information if needed. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection while accessing your banking information. Always log out of your account when you are finished. Your secure access to Bank of America is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.